Are you confused about where to start? Here's how to choose your digital marketing niche. Tip number 1, follow your passion. What do you love doing? Whether it's social media marketing, email campaigns, or content creation, choose something you're genuinely interested in. Tip number 2, identify your strengths. Think about what you're good at. Are you a creative storyteller? Consider content marketing or social media. Are you analytical? Maybe SEO or data analysis is your niche. Tip number 3, research the market. Look at trends in digital marketing landscape. What areas are growing? Explore niches like influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, or even niche-specific email marketing to find what resonates with you. Tip number 4, test and refine. Start with one niche, and as you learn more, don't be afraid to pivot or expand. Finding your niche is an ongoing process. Finding your digital marketing niche can set you up for success. Trust your instincts and keep exploring. Follow for more tips on getting started in digital marketing.